Here I have Motorola Moto E22, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and then go to the watermark. So like custom watermark is this signature. So to enable it, you have to first enable Moto E22 watermark, and here you can add your custom text. It could be like some message, because you have up to 30 symbols, so you can fit like even some sentence here. Or it could be just your name or surname or nickname or some, I don't know, quote that inspires you, so but only up to 30 symbols. So I'm just gonna enter name of my favorite YouTube channel. And now let's check out how it will look like. And as you can see, here I have shot on E22 and also HardReset.Info. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.